Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, they're going after the S&Ps here a little bit. We had this 1546 area as support. Start to stay below that, closing below that. I think you got a little bit more downside. Looked like low 40s to 39 would be kind of your next little support area. So that's something to keep an eye on. Treasury's really not doing a whole lot with this. Us putting in new lows in the minis, but they had a huge day today. Really a strong type of move, big bar up. What you would expect is another leg higher tomorrow. So that's something to keep an eye on. 19's your high in the bonds, or excuse me, 145.20 is your high in the bonds. We did fill that gap from 144.29 up to 145.17, 20 being the high, fills that in. So now keep an eye on, I think it was trading right around 12 here recently, but we could come back down to that 144, 29, 30, whatever, 145 even area. That's been the shelf. We really don't want to see the market back below there if you're bullish. And like I said, what you would expect tomorrow is another extension higher, making new highs. So we also put out a piece on the 10-year note. Have a look at that. We talked about it weeks ago about a double bottom in the 10-year note at 130 even, and us being above 132 even and a half. You can measure that double bottom objective 2 points higher above the 132 even and a half area. So 134 is the target that you're looking for off of that double bottom. You could see a little bit of a correction down, but most likely you're going to see people wanting to buy dips. I think back below 132 even and a half may change that a little bit, but for now things look positive for the long end. And I did send out a gold June chart. Have a look at that, because you're breaking out of a massive triangle, which is 42 basis points higher above 09.5 in gold June. But we have on the short term, you do have this rising wedge. So 19.5 is kind of, I think, a key area. From 19.5 to 22 resistance. You start to get above 22, you're looking at 26.5, 27. Then most likely you're looking for that extension up to meet the objective off of that big triangle breakout. And that line comes in right around 09.5 right now. It's downtrending off of old highs. Today's low is 9.5, so we couldn't get through there. Then you get the extension up. What you'd look for is another move higher there also. But it's something to pay attention to. Watch closes, like I mentioned yesterday. And what you'd like to see is the follow-through, the continuation type trade higher. So that's it for right now. Have a nice evening. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.